Your full name?
Selah Lee Flores.
Selah Lee Flores? Did you hear that one? She goes, Selah Lee Flores. She goes, my dad picked that up. So if you could have chosen your name, what would you have chosen?
Well, he picked my middle name. I didn't like my middle name.
You don't like Lee? Could be Chinese.
No.
Lee? Muy bien. What are you gonna sing?
Cucurrucucu.
And the Paloma is left out?
Cucurrucucu Paloma.
Ok, vamos a darle un fuerte aplauso, por favor, así.
Dicen que no dormía, no más se le iba y puro tomar. Juran que el mismo cielo se estremecía al oír su llanto.
out there yelling, esa es mi hija, esa es mi hija. Is that your mom? Did she pick your name?
And her grandma. Yeah.
So we gotta talk to Olga and tell her to change your name. So we can choose a name for you now. Do you want to choose a name now?
I like my name, it's not like my middle name.
Oh, can we do? So, do we change your middle name?
No, it's who I am.
And you don't have a boyfriend?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because your mom is ready to stand up and...
No.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes.
Love it.
Okay, well, what do you play?
Because I want to play.
But what do you play?
Because I want to play.
What do you play?
Oh, I want to
No.
I want to play violin. I play violin.
Muy bien. And you're going to have to learn Spanish. Huh?
Yeah.
Muy bien. Let's say hi to your mom, Olga, who's also with us, also a great singer. Say hi to her.
And it's her birthday.
It's her birthday.
Yeah.
We'll say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom.
That's the best gift you're going to get in many years, Mom. How about a big round of applause for Sailor? Thank you, Sailor. Do not walk away with the microphone. Fuera. Híjole, esta niña salió, little woman with weapons, right? Salió revolucionaria.